How to mute someone on WhatsApp. The first one is through chat screen. Open the WhatsApp on your device. Next, in the chats page, long press onto the contact name that you want to mute. A few options will pop up. Click on Mute. Again, a few options will appear with different time periods. Tap on the option based on your preference, and the notifications will be muted till the selected time. You can also mute by swiping the contact name to the left. This step available only for iPhone users, then click on More. A few options will appear. Now tap on Mute, the time periods will appear, choose the preferred option. Another one is through Profile. Tap on the contact name to open the chat screen. Next, at the top, click on the name and this will open the contact info page. Here, look for the notifications option and tap on it then. Click on Mute Notifications. The time period options will appear. Repeat the same as mentioned above. And that's it.